Hey everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan, I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews, and today's video is going to be a video on what I got for Christmas 2020, so let's get into it. Before I get started with today's video, I just wanted to say I am not bragging in any way. I know Christmas season can be really hard on everybody, and I just wanted to share this year what I got, being a new YouTuber and everything. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, it's great to have you back. I make luxury content for men's style, luxury fashion, Louis Vuitton. So if you like that kind of stuff, definitely hit that like and subscribe button for more videos. I post every Friday. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I did film a little bit of me actually opening up my presents while I got them on Christmas Day. I'm actually filming this video a couple days later, but my sister wanted to shoot that video while I was actually unboxing it, and it was quite funny because I did have my family there, my brother, his fiance, and they were just kind of excited to see like a live unboxing of some of these items, which I thought was pretty cool. So you might hear a little bit of their voices in the background. But yeah, I will roll to that clip right now, and then we'll get into the actual other items that I did get as well. Okay, so this is from my mom and dad. The scent that I wanted. Oh yeah, this is the little travel case that it comes with. And then this is the actual bottle.
Oh.
I'm so excited to use this.
That is.
And then this is a little gift to myself.
Oh.
Yeah. I low-key wasn't gonna pick up anything from this collection, but then I decided that I needed to, so.
Oh wow.
It's the NBA Soccer Organized. Yeah.
That's nice. Can you open it? Oh wow.
Yeah, it's really nice. You have to have it.
That is really nice.
I'm starting to dabble in limited editions, so I wanted to get another limited edition. And then this one is from my sales associate.
Oh yes. We've been looking forward.
I actually have no idea what this is, to be honest.
We've been looking forward to seeing it.
You and me both, because I'm wondering what it is. Oh, okay. So I also collect travel guides.
Oh, that's nice.
So this is, now I need to go to Rome. But yeah, oh, that's nice.
very nice.
I don't want to open
Is
it.
everything for mom and daddy?
No.
And that's it.
Okay.
Thank you. So these items are not going to be any particular order. I'm just going to show you whatever I got. For some of the items that I'm not going to show you, it's like cash and some candy. I know I got a lot of candy this year, but I don't want to necessarily show it all just because it's all downstairs in my kitchen, and it's just quite a bit of candy, as well as the cash. I'm not going to share with you how much I got, but I did get a lot of cash this year, so I just wanted to let that let you guys know. So the first item that I actually did already unbox on my channel, and that is going to be my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I did gift this to myself for Christmas this year. As you might be aware if you watched my unboxing video, which I will leave up here, I wanted to get a new phone because I haven't upgraded my phone in a while, about 3 years, I want to say. And so I decided to just pull the plunge and get the new iPhone, as well as it did come in a blue color, and blue is my very favorite color. So I thought it was more fitting, as well as the new shape of the new iPhone resembles like the iPhone 4, iPhone 5 era, and those were my two favorite iPhones ever. So I wanted to just go ahead and just treat myself this year, so I bought the new iPhone. The next item that I also did purchase for myself is going to be in this little package right here. I also did an unboxing video of this earlier because I couldn't wait and I wanted to just show everybody. but it is my Louis Vuitton MBA pocket organizer. I decided to just get something from this collection because I wanted to have something from this kind of collab. I know that collab pieces are really like great investments in my opinion and really hard to come by. So I wanted to get something from the MBA collab just because there's a lot of people that love the MBA and there's a lot of people that love Louis Vuitton. So I feel as though this collab was going to be really worth the hype. And I decided to get the pocket organizer because, as I did mention in my unboxing video for this, which I will also leave up in the cards, I wanted to get the pocket organizer because I am trying to expand my limited edition pieces, and I feel as though the pocket organizer, for me anyways, for this year was one of my most used SLGs. So I decided that getting the pocket organizer from this collab was going to be really worth the investment as well as the wear per use. So I ended up picking up this guy for myself. The next item that I'm going to share with you is going to be something that I got from both my cousins, and they actually gifted me the MagSafe charging adapter for my new iPhone, which I thought was really, really sweet of them. I was debating whether or not I wanted to pick this up just because I already have a wirelessly charging dock, so I didn't necessarily think that I needed one of these, but my cousins ended up sourcing this and finding this for me, and I'm really happy that they did because I'm actually obsessed with this right now. This actually can charge my iPhone in like an hour or so, which is absolutely amazing. My other wirelessly charging dock takes a little bit longer, but this one I feel as though is really worth a price point. I think this is about 55 Canadian dollars. But yeah, I'm so happy that they're actually able to get this for me because now my phone can charge twice as fast and I get to optimize the amount of benefits that the new iPhone has. So I'm really happy that they got this for me, and thank you, Quinn Alexi, for watching. Thank you so much. I really do love this piece. So yeah, this was my new powered wireless charging dock. So the next item that I did get for Christmas is going to be this Mont Blanc card holder, and I'm absolutely loving this card holder. I don't have any leather card holders like this, but I know, Jonathan, you said you're not a card holder kind of person. But for right now, because I do have a lot of gift cards that I did receive, and so I don't want to bulk up my actual wallet, I'm going to be carrying this card holder to house all of my gift cards in. So I did get a Starbucks gift card, a couple Starbucks gift cards actually, and some Amazon gift cards. So I'm currently keeping them in here. And one thing that I absolutely love about this gift card is, this card holder is that it's very understated and it's made out of like a pebbled leather material. So I can use this card holder without having to worry about any of the leather creasing because it already has that grainy leather look to it, as well as I've been meaning to try out Mont Blanc for quite some time now because I wasn't sure how their quality is going to be. So this is definitely going to be a stepping stone for me to try to dabble in the Mont Blanc world. So I'm very happy that I was actually gifted this card holder. And so yeah, the next item that I'm going to be sharing with you is from my aunt, and she got me a hand soap as well as some candies and some gift cards and some money. But I can never go without using soap. I love using these scented soaps, and this one is from the brand White Barn. And I haven't actually used this one yet just because I'm finishing off the one that I'm currently using, but this smells absolutely divine. And so with me washing my hands more often now than not because of the whole coronavirus, I can never go without having any hand soap. So you can never go wrong with getting hand soap during this kind of seasons, or even creams or other like scents in general, because who doesn't love creams and soaps and all that kind of stuff. So definitely thankful for this item. The next item that I did get was going to be my new perfume. So my parents actually got this for me. It is the Louis Vuitton Cactus Garden scent. So if you watched my Christmas wishlist video, and I'm guessing my parents did, they actually got me this scent. So it did come in this box like so, and then inside the box you do get this nice Louis Vuitton cylinder case. So if you open up the case, it does have the actual perfume inside. And so like I'm honestly obsessed with Louis Vuitton packaging just because they think of everything. Like even on the top of the cylinder case you have the Louis Vuitton logo on there, and then inside you just have like a hole for the lid. And then the actual cologne bottle itself is just really, really pristine in my opinion. You can actually also get the cologne bottle engraved with your initials on it if you chose to. So I'm probably going to end up going back to Louis Vuitton to do that. As well as the top of the cologne has the Louis Vuitton logo, and it is like a magnetic closure, which is pretty amazing in my opinion. So yeah, I really wanted the Cactus Garden scent. I was debating between the Cactus Garden and the Afternoon Swim scent, so I just decided to go with this one, and I'm glad that my parents did because this is probably one of my favorite scents. I will eventually probably pick up the Afternoon Swim one, but I really just wanted to start to test out the Louis Vuitton fragrances and get the full-size bottles to see how I will fit into my lifestyle. And then the bottom of the actual case itself is actually like lined with like a little bit of suede, so it makes it nice and cozy, so that way your bottle doesn't like fall out. But yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with this scent. I highly recommend if you want to try a new fragrance. Cactus Garden is definitely on my number one list. So the next item is going to be from my sister, and it is from a brand called Peace Collective, and she got me the hoodie that says home is Toronto. And as you might be aware, I am located in Toronto, Canada. So I find that wearing like these kind of merch that has your home city in it is absolutely amazing, because who doesn't like to represent their home city or home country? So I definitely will give this a wear. And my sister wears a lot of these clothing, so I absolutely would recommend, or she would probably recommend it, because it is very soft on the inside and it just feels very like well made. And they make their clothing for both men and women, so it's very gender friendly. So there's not one specifically for men or one specifically for women. It is just for unisex altogether. So I absolutely love this, and I can't wait to style this. And then the last item that I did get is from my sales associate, and it is the Louis Vuitton travel guide for Rome. She knows that I collect the travel guides and I'm absolutely obsessed, and so she decided to gift this to me, and I'm really thoughtful. It was really thoughtful. I'm really thankful that she did, because I don't have the Rome City Guide in my collection. I'm looking to possibly collect a lot more based on the cities that I did travel to. And so Rome is definitely on my bucket list once the coronavirus is over with, or once it's a little bit more controlled and we're able to start traveling more freely. I definitely want to hit up Rome because I think it is a beautiful place to go and a beautiful culture to see. So I definitely can't wait to use this piece when I'm there. But thank you so much for gifting this to me. I absolutely love it. So that is pretty much what I got for Christmas 2020. Thank you so much for watching. Question of the day is, what did you get this year for Christmas? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.